Hello and welcome to this lecture, which is called My First Month Income Report and What to Expect in Your First Month. So I wanted to show you how this business really works and give you my own numbers of when I first started, my very first month in the business. And this way you can get a feel for how much you might be able to make when you're first starting out as well. So let's just dive right into it. My first sale was for a website for $1,250. I thought it was such a huge number, but I felt it was a fair price for the value that I was going to be providing. I took a deep breath and I sent over the proposal, and fortunately they liked what they saw. So my very first deal, $1,250. My next sale was for an ongoing marketing plan for $500 a month. And the owner of the business wanted a discount, and only wanted to pay $400. And I agreed because I knew they would be a good client and that they would pay every month, and they have. In fact, they've been a client from the very beginning. In fact, the lifetime value of that client is now well over $20,000, so that's huge. My next sale was the exact same amount at $400 a month. And so that was actually it for my first month. I made $2,050 in sales, and I had just about $40 in expenses. So some website hosting, business cards, and so forth. And I'll actually get into that a little bit further on in this lecture. But it's not too shabby for just getting started and kind of making it up as I was going. So in the next few months that followed, I got more websites and I got more ongoing clients. My numbers went up pretty quickly too. I joined a networking group, and that really helped to increase my signups. And I also never once made another sale with a discount like I did that $500 to $400. I'll share more on that as well in the course where I discuss pricing. The numbers that you make will depend upon a few things. First, your packages and your pricing. And again, I'm going to cover this in this course. And it'll also depend on how much you hustle. If you get out there and sell, you will make money in this business. So to give you some more numbers, I can say that the lowest amount that I've ever made from a single sale was $200. The biggest number to date that I've ever made from a single sale was $18,000. So in fact, after the initial project was complete with that particular client, that company, the client wanted to maintain their marketing, and they went at a $500 a month plan. So in fact, the lifetime value of that client has now reached almost $40,000. So you can see the numbers vary a lot, and it all boils down to your pricing and how you position your company, the packages you offer, and how much you hustle. I need to make it clear that your results will be directly related to your own effort. The great thing with this course is that you will never be left trying to figure out what to do next. I cover everything that you need to know to get moving in complete detail in this course. So in the next lecture, I want to show you how you can realistically be making at least $5,000 in 90 days. So I will see you in the next lecture.